everyone, welcome to CodeBeat Pro. We're so glad you're here. On this channel, we explore the exciting world of tech, including generative AI, machine learning, and all the hottest topics in the industry. We share insights and tutorials to help you stay ahead of the curve. So if you enjoy what we do, don't forget to subscribe. Today, we're thrilled to welcome a very special guest, Elon Musk. Welcome to the show, Elon. It's fantastic to have you with us. Let's dive right in. With all your ventures in AI and space, how do you envision the future of generative AI shaping our everyday lives?
I envision a future where generative AI is integrated into every aspect of our lives, from how we work and learn to how we communicate and experience entertainment. We're already seeing the early stages of this, with AI-powered assistants like Siri and Alexa becoming ubiquitous in many homes. But the potential is even greater than that. In the near future, I expect AI-generated content to become a standard part of our lives, whether it's personalized news, entertainment, or even art. The possibilities are truly endless. As we continue to develop AI's capabilities, the limits on what can be achieved are boundless.
That's a fascinating perspective, Elon. The integration of generative AI really does seem limitless. What are your thoughts on the impact of AI on industries like transportation and renewable energy? How do you see it transforming those fields?
AI has the potential to completely transform industries like transportation and renewable energy. In transportation, we're already seeing self-driving cars being developed by companies like Tesla, Google, and Uber. And in renewable energy, AI is being used to optimize solar panel placement, improve the efficiency of wind turbines, and even design more efficient batteries. With these advancements, we'll see faster, safer, and more sustainable transportation options. And in renewable energy, we'll see a shift towards more efficient, cost-effective energy solutions. These are just a few examples. The possibilities are endless with AI.
Absolutely. Those advancements are truly game-changing. As we look toward the future, how can we ensure that AI is developed responsibly and ethically? What steps do you think we need to take?
That's a great question. To ensure that AI is developed ethically and responsibly, we need to have clear standards in place for its development and use. This includes ensuring that AI systems are transparent, explainable, and fair. We also need to ensure that they are in compliance with regulations and laws. Additionally, we need to make sure that AI does not reinforce existing biases, such as gender and racial discrimination, but rather that it helps reduce them. Finally, we need to ensure that AI is designed to preserve human autonomy, safety, and privacy.
Those are important points, Elon. It's crucial to keep ethics at the forefront as AI continues to evolve. Before we wrap up, is there anything you'd like to say to your fans and the CodeBeat Pro subscribers?
Yes, of course. To my fans and the CodeBeat Pro subscribers, thank you for your continued support. I'm honored to be here, and I appreciate your interest in the cutting-edge developments in the tech world. Keep learning and stay curious, as the future of technology is only just beginning. And remember, always believe in the incredible potential of human ingenuity. Don't forget to subscribe and stay tuned for more exciting content.
Thank you so much, Elon, for those inspiring words. It's been a pleasure having you on the show. And to our viewers, if you're interested, we're working on an exciting project called Jarvis, inspired by Tony Stark's AI. Check out the link in the top right or in the description for more details. Don't forget to subscribe for more great content. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.
Thank you for having me. It was a great convo. And about the Jarvis project, I'm definitely intrigued. I've been admiring Tony Stark's tech for years, so I'll definitely check it out. You and your viewers take care.
Thanks, Elon. We appreciate your time and insights. It's been an amazing conversation. Take care, and we'll see you next time.